masama kang tao, magbago ka. Alam nyo, whenever I meet new people, or dati, when I was in high school, tapos may activity na describe this person, laging sinasabi ng mga tao sa akin like, I'm shy, quiet. But ngayon, na-realize ko na okay na naman to be shy and it's okay to be quiet. Like, tanggap ko na siya. Kasi it's true, I am shy, I am quiet, especially if hindi pa tayo ganun magkakilala. Parang yung iniisip kasi agad ng mga tao, kapag sinabi mong shy ka, parang boring ka na, wala ka na ibang kayang gawin. Pero I think you can be shy and do other stuff. Feeling ko parang as someone na shy na tao, I think kaya ko pa rin mag-grow as a person. Dati diba, lagi kong iniisip na, kailangan ko ba magbago kasi I'm shy or if I'm soft? Kailangan ko ba maging tough? Ano na-realize ko, parang hindi. We are different people. We all have different personalities. So, I think, if I change myself, si Pawi pa rin ba ako? Kung hindi na ako yung soft na person, magiging happy ba ako? For me, it's okay if you change for the better, like for growth. But if you entirely change yourself just to fit in, feeling ko parang hindi ko na yun kaya. Ang sad na parang isipin ko na, oh shit, hindi na ako to. Hala, pag nagbago ako, parang may nawala sa akin. Parang puzzle. May piece na nawala sa akin. Parang ganun. Kung masama kang tao, magbago ka. Pero if hindi, if wala ka namang masamang ginagawa, bakit mo mabaguhin yung sarili mo? For me, I think being quiet is okay. Being who you are and being true to yourself, it's okay. You don't have to change for other people.